Thanks for your likes. It's time to get up. In Europe, in the Austrian mountains. "6 a.m. roughly speaking, over here. I'm going to finish some paperwork in the office, and generally speaking I'll be office bound today. Yeah, it's a really super background, isn't it? Hi Texas. I've never been to Texas. I've traveled in North America pretty extensively, but I've never been to Texas. Yeah, come on over. We have some pretty scenery here. Keep those likes coming. I've been videoing the same image the whole week, actually. Do you know what? I never get tired of it. And it's been a while since I've seen it at this time of the morning, because I'm normally still in bed. And there's my cat, being nosy as usual. It's about 10 past 6 in the morning here in Austria. The cat's name is Snoopy. Snoopy, you're being watched by thousands of people, or maybe hundreds. Yeah, it's bright. It's the spring weather has suddenly come in since yesterday in the Alps, and this is probably the best view, isn't it? Just that little section there with maybe a bit of the mountain there in the far distance, and of course the moon makes it special. We're in a special part of the Alps as well. We're in a beautiful valley, and we're looking on to the Mountains, and I'm thinking about maybe having some breakfast soon. What do you reckon? Nice cup of coffee, maybe some porridge. Anyway, welcome to Austria. Thanks for your comments, thanks for your wishes. I'll try and have a good day, and so will Snoopy. And everybody else is asleep, so I mustn't shout, I mustn't speak too loudly. The Mountains in Austria are slowly coming awake, becoming awake. Let's see a few more of those hearts. Look at that, that's really a beautiful view for a few hearts, isn't it? Maybe the hearts aren't working. I think the retention is suffering a little bit, and maybe you're hearting and you're liking, and maybe the periscope system doesn't allow sometimes when it gets overloaded for all the comments and all the likes to come through. I found that I assume that there's nobody following or nobody liking, and then when the video is finished I noticed there have been quite a few likes, so maybe that's happening now, I don't know. Anyway, it's 6:15 in the morning here in Austria, and all is well. Maybe we'll get a few followers coming through. Ah, there's some hearts. Glad you like the view. It's an early morning view and the mountains are beginning to awake. I can get quite poetic. This is the Pihapa mountain, P-I-H-A-P-P-E-R. It's about 2,500 meters high. And you're in the Pinzgau Valley, P-I-N-Z or Z-G-A-U, Pinzgau. Thanks for liking and thanks for your comments, and I'm going to say goodbye for the time being, and have a great day yourselves, or a great night. I'll be talking to you or broadcasting to you from Austria in the very near future.